Hello and welcome to FCS Fleet Compliance Management Tutorials. I am Joyce. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to create a job through the FCS Operator app and allocate it to a driver on the FCS Driver app. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Jobs tab and select Create Job. In the Basic Information section, select the job type from the drop-down. Set the status to Active and select the vehicle type. Next, in the Journey Information section, fill in the departure location, departure date and time, arrival location, and arrival date and time. Add any specific comments or instructions for the driver. Now in the Operations section, select your company name in the operator contact. Select the contractor for whom you are completing the job. Select the vehicle from the list of vehicles. And select the driver you want to allocate the job to. You can also enable assets if you want to allocate an asset to the driver. Select the asset type. Enter the asset registration. Select the load type. Enter the temperature and click on the Save button. The job will now be created, and you will be able to see the scheduled job on the Scheduled tab under Jobs. Click on the job to view more details. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this has been helpful in guiding you through the process of creating and allocating jobs on the FCS Operator app. Save the hassle of fleet management with the FCS application.